Good morning, students. Under marginal cost, okay, we are going to discuss APO problems. On this, 17th question, 18, 19, 20, 21. So, if I pen 18, 19, 20, 21, I pen now 17th question. Suppose the break-even sales is 10 lakhs. Nothing but BEP is 10 lakhs. Fixed cost is 4 lakhs. So, BEP has given, fixed cost he has given. So, first of all, what we have to find here? Contribution sales ratio means PV ratio we have to find. Next, sales price unit if VC are 12 rupees per unit. Nothing but if variable cost is 12 rupees per unit, sales price we have to find out. And MYS. MYS if 80,000 units are sold. MYS if 80,000 is not rupees, units. 80,000 units are sold, then MYS is how much? So 3 questions he has asked in this. So first PV ratio. What is PV ratio formula? Fixed cost divided by BEP into 100. Fixed cost is how much? 4 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs into 100. So PV ratio how much we got here? 40%. Second question, sales price per unit if VC is 12 rupees per unit he has given. So here BEP in rupees we have now. So that's why I have used this formula. BEP in rupees is equal to fixed cost into sales by sales minus VC. So BEP in rupees is how much? 10 lakhs. Fixed cost is how much? 4 lakhs into sales. Why? Because this sales amount itself we have to find. Sales minus VC is how much? 12 rupees. Now cross. So here 5 zeros I have cancelled. So 10 into cross multiplication sales minus 12. Sales minus 12 is equal to 4 into S. 4 is left over, 4 into S. So 10 into sales minus 10 into 12 is how much? 120 is equal to 4 sales. So 10 sales minus 4 sales. This 4 sales I have bought this side. So 10 sales minus 4 sales is equal to 120. 10 minus 4 is how much? 6 sales is equal to 120. So sales price per unit is equal to 120. Here multiply after bringing this side it will become a divide. So 120 divided by 6 is 20 rupees per unit. So second one we got. Next coming to the margin of safety if 80,000 units are sold he has given. So 80,000 units I have converted into rupees. Into selling price per unit I have done. Is equal to how much? 16 lakhs. 80,000 into 20 rupees per unit 16 lakhs I have got. So MYS formula, total sales minus BEP sales. So total sales is how much? 16 lakhs. BEP sales is how much? 10 lakhs. So 16 lakhs minus 10 lakhs is equal to how much? 6 lakhs. Okay, this is the 17th question. Okay, next coming to the 22. 22 will be homework for you. See, from the following calculate PV ratio. Profit when sales are 20,000, fixed expenses 4,000 and break-even sales 10,000. Okay, what you have to calculate here? PV ratio you have to calculate and profit when sales are 20,000. So desired profit formula you use you will be getting the answer. Next 23. 23 good homework. The following information is related to Kakatiya Cements. So sales is 5 lakhs, VC 1,50,000, 10,000. Material, labor, ఇంకేది డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేయండి. మీకు ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? VC వస్తుంది. VC ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్? 1,60,000. ఫిక్స్ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ 3 lakhs. ప్రాఫిట్ ఈజ్ 40,000. సేల్స్ ఈజ్ దేర్, VC ఈజ్ దేర్, ఫిక్స్ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ దేర్, ప్రాఫిట్ ఈజ్ దేర్. సో డైరెక్ట్లీ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ఎనీథింగ్. వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ఓవర్ హియర్? BEP వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్, PV రేషియో, MYS, సేల్స్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అంటే ప్రాఫిట్ ఆఫ్ 50,000, రిక్వైర్డ్ సేల్స్ ఫార్ములా యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ ప్రాఫిట్ అట్ ఎ సేల్స్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ 9 lakhs. సేమ్ ఫార్ములా ఫర్ దీస్ బోత్. ఓకే. Next 24 is also homework. See what he has given. Sales 10,000 units into 200. 20 lakhs he has given. Fixed is how much? 5 lakhs 40 ఈ మొత్తం 3 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్ is how much? 5 lakhs 40. VC జాగ్రత్త ఒకసారి యాడ్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఇక్కడ 0 ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ 6 lakhs. నాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎంత 60 lakhs కాదు, 6 lakhs. ఇది ప్రింట్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. సో 2 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 80,000, 1,20,000. ఈ టోటల్ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇది 1,40,000 కాదు, టోటల్ కూడా చేంజ్ ఉంటుంది. సో చెక్ చేసుకోండి టోటల్ ఎంత అని చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే. సో VC జాగ్రత్త చేయండి అమ్మ. ఇది 6 lakhs, ఇది 2 lakhs, ఇది 4 lakhs, ఇది 80, ఇది 1,20,000. ఓకే. ఈ 1 lakh ఇది తప్పు ఇది. ఓకేనా. సో జాగ్రత్త టోటల్ చేయండి. Next, net earnings means profit. Profit is how much? 60,000. Profit is how much? 60,000. So sales is there, fixed cost is there, VC is there, profit is there. So directly we can find. First time find out. First year what he has asked to calculate the BEP in units. So BEP in units directly we can't find here. So first what you do means you find BEP in rupees. Later on you find the BEP in units. Okay. Okay, what you have to do, ma? First you calculate BEP in units, later on you find in BEP in units. So one more point has given, show your calculations and use the contribution margin ratio to find out the rupee. ఇదంతా ఏం చేయకండి డైరెక్ట్ బీఈపీ ఇన్ యూనిట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి తర్వాత బీఈపీ ఇన్ రూపీస్, ఫస్ట్ యూ ఫైండ్ బీఈపీ ఇన్ రూపీస్, నెక్స్ట్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ బీఈపీ ఇన్ యూనిట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ సేల్స్ రూపీస్ would be required to generate a net income of 96,000. Okay, to get the profit 96,000, how much of sales we have to do? So required sales formula you have to use, ma. Required sales formula you have to use. Next, what will be the break even point in units if fixed cost are increased by 18,000? Nothing but here fixed cost, how much it is? For 5,40,000. Now it is increased with 18,000 and 5,58,000 means how much it will be? 5,58,000. So after increasing the fixed cost, again you need to find the BEP in units, he said, means same like EBIT. So first what you have to do, first what you have to do means you have to increase fixed cost with 18,000, it will be 5,58,000. Afterwards first you find the BEP in rupees, next find the BEP in units. Okay, next coming to the 25th, an analysis of Sultan Manufacturing Company Limited led to the following information. So VC has given in percentage, fixed cost has given in rupees. Next, budgeted sales are 18,50,000, sales 18,50,000. You are required to determine break-even sales, profit at the budgeted sales value, profit if actual sales drop by 10%, increase by 5% for budgeted sales. So what information he has given means VC has given in percentage, fixed cost he has given, and sales he has given. So first of all, what we have to find? BEP we have to find. See here, budgeted sales he has given 18,50,000. VC has given percentage. Once you see the percentage here, what he has given? Percentage of sales he has said. What he has said? Percentage of sales means on sales total we have to add all these. 79% we got. On sales we have to calculate the 79%. So VC how much we got here? 14,61,500. Next, fixed cost 1,89,900 plus 58,400, 66,700. Add fixed cost, we will be getting a 3,15,000. So fixed cost is there, VC is there, sales is there. Apply this formula. BEP sales is equal to fixed cost into sales by sales minus VC. So 3,15,000 into 18,50,000 divided by 18,50,000 minus 14,61,500. Calculate. After calculating, you will be getting a 15 lakhs, that is BEP sales. Next, second question, what he has given? Profit at the budgeted sales value. Nothing but by taking a sales, we have to calculate the profit. He has said to calculate the profit. So here we have a formula. Profit is equal to sales minus VC minus fixed cost. So profit is equal to how much? 18,50,000 minus VC minus fixed cost. Okay, sorry, sales is how much? 18,50,000 minus VC minus fixed cost. So profit is equal to 73,500. Next, third question, what he has given? Profit if actual sales drop by 10%, he has said. Sales is how much here? 18,50,000. If these sales are dropped by 10%, then profit will be how much? Same formula, but sales should be decreased. If sales is decreased, automatically VC will also decrease. Why? Because VC has given percentage on sales. So what we have to do here first, 18,50,000 into 10%. How much I got? 1,85,000. Now minus it. So 16,65,000 will be sales. Okay, VC on this 16,65,000 VC you have to calculate, that is 79%. How much we got here? 13,15,350. Fixed cost is same. It remains same. 3,15,000. Again apply the same formula. Sales minus VC minus fixed cost. Clear? If profit is if we have to find the profit if sales is dropped by 10% means sales is changed and even VC is also changed. Next, what he has said? Increase by 5%. Nothing but if sales are increased by 5%. Now what we have to do? We have to add it. 18,50,000 into 5%, 92,500. Add 18,50,000 plus 92,500 is equal to 19,42,000. Even VC will also change. 19,42,500 into 79%. How much we got here? 15,34,575. Fixed cost remains same. Again apply same formula. Profit is equal to sales minus VC minus fixed cost. Okay na? So sums చేసి పెట్టండి. ఏ రోజు వరకు ఆ రోజు చేయండి అమ్మా.